Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jim with RealWorldPDR.com. Since the beginning of this channel and my creation of RealWorldPDR.com, my intention was to be able to help people become PDR techs in the most efficient way possible. Now, between the online training platform and in-person training, I have been able to do just that for a ton of people. What you're getting ready to hear is just one of my many success stories. This one hit me right in the feels, so I wanted to share it with you. If you're serious about learning PDR and you've been on the fence about signing up at RealWorldPDR.com, take a listen to this.
What's going on, guys? It's Nolan Compo here from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, next to the True North Mobile. It's my 97 van. Got some ribs on the smoker. Beautiful day off here. Chilly, definitely chilly, but that's all right. Just want to give a quick testimonial here on Real World PDR. It's with Jim Mitchell in Lafayette, Indiana. I want to give you a little bit of a backstory to me first, how I found out about Jim, then we can jump into the other stuff. So basically, about 10 years ago, I wanted to get into PDR. We had a hailstorm here. I knew that the hail techs here were making killer money. It looked awesome. I wanted to get into it. I bought a cheap Amazon set from online. You can probably assume exactly how that went. It went absolutely horrible. So I went to training. I'm not going to say exactly where. It was somewhere in the States, in the South. Didn't really work out all that well for me. You know, everybody learns differently, obviously. We all have those different things that work or don't work for us. It definitely didn't work. I spent a lot of money, went there, I came home. I cried myself to sleep a couple nights. I spent so much money on it, time off work, everything. I was running a detail shop at that point, and it just, I felt so defeated. I got home, I said, screw PDR. I can't do it. My dad, he worked at Chrysler for 39 years alongside the people that did do PDR, and they always told him, you've either got it or you don't. I had that in my head, and I'm like, well, I don't. That's all it is. I just don't. Fast forward, I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it again. Tried it on my own. Absolutely not. Went a little bit further. A couple years after that, sitting in the detail shop, I'm subbing out a PDR guy. He's coming in, fixing all my stuff, making good money, better than I am in my shop. I still can't do it. So I reached out to Jim from Real World PDR. This is a few years back now. And I said, listen, man, we just got a crazy hailstorm here. This is like 7 years after my first attempt. Just got a crazy hailstorm. I've been practicing a little bit. I've been watching your videos online. I'm getting it. For the first time, I'm actually getting it. I'm seeing how metal's moving, how the tools work, sharp tools, blunt tools, knockdowns, paddles, glue pulling, tension, you name it. I'm getting it. Watching stuff that's far too advanced for me, but whatever. I'm watching it for the sake of watching it and bettering my education instead of watching, Family Guy or something. So I said, well, man, I gotta get better here quick. Going into a body shop in about a month. Basically, what I can't get out, they're going to send it for conventional anyways. This is my real get your feet wet moment. So you got to help me out. So I drove there. It's not super far. It's about 5 hours, Lafayette, from the Canadian border. Drove there. Day one, I got back to my hotel with a smile on my face. I'm calling my family. I'm calling my friends. I'm like, guys, something's clicking here already on day one. Like, I think I'm going to like PDR. I think I'm going to like this. This is awesome. Day two, frustrated. Super frustrated. Still cool, still awesome, but you've got it in your mind like, oh my God, how am I ever going to learn this? It's going to take forever. How do people take the time to learn this? The nice thing about that was Jim was always there just to basically say, listen, you are the exact same as everybody else. Don't let yourself get down. That's what I did the first time, right? I came home, I said, screw that, I'm done with it. I'm not doing it anymore. I can't do that, right? So he's amping me up. Listen, man, you've got this. I can tell you've got the eye for it, the skill for it. Just keep pushing, literally and figuratively. Like, just keep going with it. Day 3, awesome. Day 4, awesome. Day 5, awesome. Phenomenal. Absolutely awesome. These are kind of the building blocks to getting going. Nothing crazy at all. Nothing where he's going to push you into a situation where you're like, I have no idea what I'm doing. He's right there behind you the entire time, running certain drills and practices and everything like that. At the end of the training, I came home and I felt like a 10,000-pound weight was lifted off my shoulders. I mean, it was phenomenal, the confidence that I had. So I started pushing hail here, and the paycheck started coming in. It was incredible. It was absolutely amazing. The body shop was super happy. They didn't have a PDR guy at all. So for me to even get stuff, some 100%, but a decent amount of stuff was going to conventional. I couldn't push those, bigger dents, especially getting into aluminum and whatnot. That's something that it takes a lot of practice. So I was pushing for about 6-7 months, I would say. Everything was going good, but the one thing that I was struggling with really hard was your A-pillars and your roof rails, right? I mean, this section here is glue pull only. You're not getting a tool into these areas. This is a big van, different story, but generally the singled out A-pillars and roof rails. I said, man, I remember you showing me how you blend, and I remember watching videos where he blended a ridiculously large dent, like this big, into a panel, which he said you'd never actually do that, but this is just showing what you can do. So I said, I need some help on blending. I feel like I'm wasting so much time in these little tiny soft dents. I'm glue pulling out with hot glue, and then they're high and I'm knocking them back down. They're not clean. I'm not blending that rail properly. So he said, no problem, man. Next week I've got some time, come on out, swing by, and we'll see what I can do for you. So I went out there, and I'm not going to tell you too much about what the drill is. I hope you have the chance to experience it yourself and better yourself more than you'd ever expect. But we ran the drill, and very bluntly and in short, the drill is basically the most frustrating exercise you'll probably ever do in your life for 2 hours or so, 3 hours, maybe a half day, maybe a day. It depends on how fast you get there. And then all of a sudden, things click, and it's like, oh my God. I got back home, and my blending game from that point until now, I mean, at that point, I was very confidently blending. Now I am, without blending, I have no idea how I would do PDR, right? It's the most incredible thing in the world. Again, Jim built the confidence into me to get to that point. I definitely didn't have that the first time I got home from the southern state I'm not going to talk about. I didn't have that level of confidence the first time that I got home for blending. But as I talked back and forth, as I kept watching the modules, right, that was the biggest thing, getting home from the actual in-person training. And a lot of stuff clicks when you're there, but you don't realize when you get home how much, oh yeah, he did say this. He did say that. Yeah, that makes sense. So fast forward, we're a few years into this training with Jim, and I'm running a very successful business now. I've got my old, looks like an A-Team van or a Scooby-Doo van, depends on, what era you're from, but I got my van. I'm 100% mobile. I've got a few shops around the county that I can use if it's super, super cold weather. He's really built a completely different life for me, and I've got Real World to thank for it. I mean, it's not something I don't care about winning, tools or anything like that. I'm not trying to get anything out of posting this testimonial. I want to make you guys realize how important this is, and you really just gotta make that jump. If you're thinking about it, just do it. Don't think about it any longer. Just do it. Make it happen. Talk to Jim, get something set up. He might even say, hey, you're not ready for in-person training yet. I want you to look at, the beginning modules on Real World for the first few weeks, month, 2 months, depending on your skill level again, and then go to that in-person training. Do it. It'll change your life. I promise. Anybody on the Real World page, or basically any other PDR page, if you guys are going to MTE, you're going to see Jim, and you're going to see the crowds of people that flock to him. Everybody knows Jim in the PDR community. I mean, it's a really big thing. So again, guys, make the jump, do it. It'll change your life. It changed my life. It's definitely the best idea. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, Real World PDR. Much appreciated. See ya.